Them dog and them getting on excited. They getting start. The dog had the lap in his mouth. The dog had the lap in his mouth, guys. What's up, man? Dogs now kicking an animal tail. They now see the booty there. It's a booty. Welcome back to Tuppy's Outdoors Adventures, guys. Season greetings to all. Blessed Happy New Year to all. We back out here again in the jungle. Come out to look for them. Come out in the deep, guys. We come to look for the elusive peccary. Yeah, we're looking for them, hug on them today. Stay tuned. Wherever the Father bless you, we're grateful for. The whole team outside. Guys, Tuppy, Zazman, and all your boys Tuppy. Stay tuned. Epic adventure coming soon. Back out here. And all let us get live. The nose are clear, guys. Going in the deep. We're looking for the elusive peccary and the sweet meat. You know, as soon as we get action, bring it to you guys. Taking our 5 here up on top. Find it! Choop, choop, choop! Looking for them. Looking for them. Something passed around. Forest calm, quiet, nice weather. All the birds singing. Stay tuned. Live adventure, epic adventure. New Year. New Year is not near. Yeah. Looking for them, guys. We're looking for the elusive peccary and the sweet meat. Stay tuned. Tuppy's Outdoors Adventures. Check out this view, guys. The back clip here. Just view. Whoa. I will see quite out. Stay tuned, guys. Tuppy's Outdoors Adventures. We're looking for the sweet meat and the elusive peccary. Check out this terrain, guys. Whoa. You go meet us now. Watch this terrain, guys. Big. Steep ridge going on here right now too. Going down in the zone here. Going down in the zone. Yeah. It's looking like the area where them animals sleeping. Watch terrain, watch terrain. Ah, smelling ah. Alright. At all. Terrain, guys. What's terrain? What? Nice place for them, boy. Nice place for them to sleep, careless. Stay tuned, guys. Pay close attention, guys, because what you're about to see is going to happen very fast. Them dog and them getting on excited. Them dog and them getting on excited. Them dog and them excited. That lap fly with bullet speed, even on super slow motion, it was very difficult to see. If you saw it, please leave a comment. Wait, guys, our lap now fly out and within our log, guys. Alpha find you all, Alpha find you all.
Come down, come down. Yeah, come down, we get. Alpha find you all.
Wee! Good boy, Alpha. Look for a fly. Good. Guys, I didn't know if camera was running when I was by the log because I was real excited. Hey! Good! The sweet meat inside you all!
Nice!
The sweet meat inside you all. Uncle Fredo got chop on them and he fly, guys. I didn't know if camera was running.
Right.
What? Boy!
Camera was running?
I know! I know, boy! Stay tuned, guys. I'll get back at you guys. I'm gonna organize some diggers and things.
We're going to try to get excited and run to the end, but we didn't go in and come back out. I say, well, not play again. I'm going to lap more down. I was saying, good. I told you, come on, what it's your Carlos. Carl come in. Final lap in hole now. Yeah. Alright, there we go, wood. Let me see if I see a tester.
Change your vibes.
You're telling me? Just I'm at that time. You started that dead run. So we're looking steep run. What is? But that's it. Remember when you cross the keep coming down.
I run with them dog, eh?
Yeah, I see you leave out now. I find these again leave out, but I can't handle that way. gotta get old, right? You gotta tell any man, right? You gotta tell him, I said, but kill him.
I run with him. I see Mr Lappe going, but he running home then.
I ain't again, I
Your edge is showing you, old boy.
Gosh, I could be a tattoo and all inside it. Scrappy go out to tie you, you know? Because he doesn't give a dog a chance by this way. So come back with your rope.
Alright guys, stay tuned, me man.
Scrappy, Scrappy.
Mama. Scrappy to sick. You watch it? Hey! Hey! Here!
Scrappy!
I'm gonna get the chin. Nah boy. You ain't them young no got a chance to know it.
Zombie alpha, they by the whole alpha come back. Alpha. Come.
Yeah, what the chain now? Yeah. Get in, girl. Get in, Two-Face. Get in, Tutu. Get in, girl. Get in. Get in, girl. Get in, Tutu. Back him, girl. Back him. Back him, girl. Back him. Back him, girl. Find him. Find him, girl. Tiny fighter, you're fighting too much, boy. Guys, you'll have no rush to yeah? Cut shit. You know when Lappe cut dog what we just do to them? You know when Lappe cut dog what we just do to them? We don't let them get away at all. What? With the action, I fall, I roll all kind of thing. My hand ended up pressing this stop button when I was filming shit, and I missed the whole action when I was running down the lap with the dog and them. Hey boy, but I small thing. I'll again some action here. Hang, done cut a dog already and we ain't taking it. Check it out. Lappe cut on top of the nose, guys. And we ain't taking that. Getting the Lappe close, so we're sending in the whole town. Stop these outdoors adventures, like, share, subscribe. That double hole. Guys, the dog had lap in him out. The dog had lap in him out, guys. Yes. Lap in him out. Hey, bossing it already.
Yeah, boy. Oh gosh, he bossing it already.
We have him at the bottom of his head.
He back foot out, he back to the ground.
Hey, look at your next day, look at your next day.
Why do you bring shots like? Big one I see.
Come in the soul, boy. Come in the soul. Hey! Come. Go in there. Action, guys, action, life adventure. Get in, Rocky.
Look like a small foot, and then how you put in his foot and then.
You went for your throat.
They want to rake and they have a cigarette in them.
Come on.
Yeah, the pussy was it.
Yeah, the old timer. Training them young dog, guys. Is how we that train them young dog.
I go up now.
Don't fight.
I'll tie dog now. I know that.
Stay tuned, guys. Tuffy's Outdoors Adventures. Drenching them dog and them, making sure they get to know it proper. And we go in and take him out. Let's go see that. Live, we live. What Rocky? What Rocky? Tiny fighter. Alright, guys. Have me and we pulling them out.
What do you man?
Bad man. Boss.
Guy, what we talking about? Are you check and see if it have an next one?
Go flash.
See if it have an next one in you. Before we celebrate, because that look like a tattoo. He could have put somebody else in trouble. I number 1, guys. You can block and see if you find number 2. Sorry. I will talk about boss up planks, boss up planks. Boss up planks. There we talk about, give us a love. There we talking. Tuffy's Outdoors Adventures, guys. Like, share, subscribe. The hunting done. Still in the jungle. We take a hog day quick. Stay tuned, guys. Tuffy's Outdoors Adventures. Dogs now kicking an animal tail, guys. And they're pointing. They're going down. They're now singing Guti. It's our Guti. You go along this side now, guys. Action. They go put him up. They go put him in a hole. Aguti, guys. Aguti. Show them dog does do it. Quick. There, the blood hot. Like he done pen already. Now don't take out all up there walking up the hill. Aguti hiding in a busa. They fly him out. Hear him. Like I go see him. Like he coming back up to cross. Guys, Aguti here. Have a little snack break here. Yeah, I'm not believing him. Just can't take that long run. So stay tuned. Molly boy is taking a break. Tuffy's Outdoors Adventures. We didn't come out of the bush yet. Look looking for our next one. Once you catch anything, all you know, you go see it live. So stay tuned, guys. Checking our hole here, guys. Now walking through the bush, them dog and them getting on vicious.
Stop inside it. Yeah, come on up. Come on up there, come on up there. Come on up there. Okay, come on up.
I'm checking out hole here.
At this point here, guys, we just found another lap inside of a hole. Once you hear Rocky bark twice, you know there's a lap inside here.
It's inside here real big. Man going up.
What's out there?
Stay tuned, guys. I know what's going to take place here in about. Them dog and them getting on vicious for that hole. Look scrappy up here. Yeah. Yeah. That real hole here, boy. Scrappy come out from quite up here, Jed. You see how inside it, okay?
After the team evaluated the situation and checked out the hole, we decided that this lap was home free, so we decided to head on and head home. Truly appreciate all the love and support from each and every one. Thank you for your continuous support. Continue to like, share and subscribe to Tuppy's Outdoors Adventures.